So, bago wala sa tanta nga bagong pupo. Ano na bagong pupo? Good morning, everyone. Well, again, gimingaw na ko ninyo. Tulo na kasi sige, go. Asas engineer?
Engineer Hamora and Colonel Pastor. There, on the side. Alright. Sige, so marubay ganila ang tago questions. Let's just immediately start. Who wants to kick off? Go Gian.
Good morning. Been a while ha.
Yeah.
Unsa ni mga pagpangandam on the part of the Capitol rainy season. Yan ito tungan pag
Yeah, no, I don't think there's even a super El Nino. Well, as far as the naana tay water impounding facilities already, no? 11 liters impounding. Bunga, Aloginsan, Tabugon, Daan Bantayan, and also preparing the feasibility study for that we are going to build in the watershed area. And also these are eight rivers. So and pasalamat agdako sa administration for giving Cebu 8 billion building of our dams. This will really prevent flooding in the future. Unya, we are also looking into katong People's Food Center nato no gi-prepare na sa Medellin and Carcar. They already started construction. However, if simpako lang na ay mga calamities, we already have talks with the mayors nga himuon nato ang atong mga unsa na siya hapitanan himuon nato siya og food centers in case na ay emergency, so dito ato ang distribution. Yeah, mga relief in case ato na mag-turn over no, from the province mga kapitanan. This will be converted also center.
may also know diri si Sir Dennis, may also know unsa na yung mga I would like na yung mga on the part of the PDR also season, especially sa mga bahaon o mga landslide prone areas sa probinsya.
If you know that we have a new command center.
So kani siyang emergency operation center will be activated in case of event over rainy season. No? Ato sa mga responders are also equipped already.
The efforts of the governor,
Equipments, natin mga
rubber boats,
Yeah, for our roads ready.
yes, no. And as mentioned by Governor, our stockpiles, PSWD is also ready. And last week, I distributed this kind of radio to all LDRMOs so we can contact them anytime. This is a new one. This is a POC.
this is not a frequency radio.
Cell sites to get communication. Every day, they're talking to us.
In case na ay back down sa ato ang internet, so
And most of them are also,
So we can communicate in case.
it's very important communication with them.
We also reminded the local DRMOs sa ato
So that in the cities,
their flood-prone areas in mapping. So, importante na for the response. Moro na siya and DRMOs
video advisories.
on FB page, Andam Subo. I hope you follow.
and also and PDRRMO visual advisories through our so for every kind of mga weather disturbance, di ba? We've always been very conscientious about this.
And lahat daw ang
Yeah, engineer update them regarding this. No one in one area kanang Busay. Clear naman ako na.
buntag na tata.
Sa
DPWH is the one handling
Asong
kay equipment pa dito na bilhin dito sa
Balamban. So maybe we can augment kung in kaso yun. Thank you.
But I saw some roads also, kana nga road na sa RDC. Plastar na sa RDC. So once we get once the PWH will get the budget, that parcel of road will be fixed. But I don't know when.
Related to infrastructure, di ba ako meron station project?
the timeline updated.
Projects, yeah. Secretary, actually, as a matter of fact, Secretary Vince was here a few months ago. And we checked the one in Mananga. They call it gabions. Yeah, so yeah, rock, and then they should be done by now. And also, national government gave us the amphibian. What do you call that, engineer? Katong amphibian na tractor. It's already being placed in Mandaue just to clear, no, this
Amphibian backhoe.
backhoe, yeah. So in place na siya, it's being deployed by DPWH, national government. In fact, I already advised engineer that we procure one.
Nag-request na to log one.
Okay na?
Request pa ko.
Dali ang
Nanas
na
budget.
engineer, ha?
Yes, go. Nanas budget ko.
And this engineer mo na yung department, ni sige na ko bully. Sa national government,
really in a rush. Ikabaw siya that really
Wala ang kaning mga flood control projects karon na naa diri sa ato especially the one in mga river banks nato nga atimano na gyud. I think the secretary will be back next week. Masiro na siya scheduled to check, and I'll be going around with him.
The percentage go, wala ka tayo.
the last time he was here, mga
I'm sure by now, mahuman na. So maybe that's why he's coming back to look into it, because that's the order of the president.
Yes, Jessie, go ahead.
Ayan.
Ay,
PTV. Gov, tanong lang po if how soon can we send yung financial assistance or calamity assistance that we're planning to give for the LGU of
city po.
Checks ready na, no? Kay the very responsive ang ating provincial board. Right away na convince sila, and we prepared already the check, but
give it myself, but si Colonel Pastor,
go there ahead of time to check kung safe ba.
what do you think, Colonel?
And hand over kay ang kaning Jensen, no, they gave us 8 million, ha? Pagkahitabo na to diri sa Cebu, and the mayor personally delivered it, so I want to return the favor also.
No, I have to be.
Yes, ma'am.
Airport is not operational except for military and humanitarian aircrafts. So the road going to Jensen will be either from Cotabato City or Davao City. But the road from Davao City to Jensen will be checked. Na yung mga reports of damaged roads and damaged bridges.
So, if the government wants to move their way,